This is my Meta Quest 3, and this is not the regular headband. This is the Sonicgrace S3 Air, and it's a headband, an upgraded headband for your Meta Quest 3. I got rid of the stock one because, let's be honest, it sucks. Let me do a quick comparison for you. The way you adjust the side part for the stock one is by using these two straps right here. Now, for the straps, you're just going to pull them apart, and that tightens it. Now, the problem with this is it's being held together by friction. So, over time, I've noticed that these can loosen, and this happens when you're wearing it. So when you're using it, playing a game, watching a movie, these will loosen. And that was a big problem for me because I had these lenses as close together as I could and the headset as close to my face as I could. That's the best and clearest way I could see the screen. Now this loosening over time led to a lot of eye strain. And well, I wasn't a fan of that. So now we're using this. The Sonicgrace S3 Air basically clips onto the side of your headset. So once you remove the old one, this is the same way, right? You just unclip it, then you get this piece and you're gonna clip it back on, and boom, you do that with both sides, you got yourself a new side piece. Now what about the top? Well, the top part on this was a thin little strap with Velcro along the way, so you can put this wherever. I like Sonicgrace's implementation a little bit better. You can see it's got a little foam piece in here. It's foam and leather. It's very soft. I can barely tell that I'm wearing it. The best part about this is that you no longer have to just like put this on and then you have this pulling you like this. Instead, to adjust the sides, you use this dial. It is so much easier. Even DJI has it on their FPV headsets, and those are really advanced. So you hear this? You can hear it clicking and you can see it moving forward, and that's it getting tighter, or you can rotate it backwards and you can also hear it clicking and it's getting looser. It has a super soft leathery pad right here, and it basically cups the back of your head. This is the shape of your head I like a whole lot better than just a single strap going across it. So let's go ahead and put it on. Now you can see it's a little bit big on me right now, but that's no problem because all I need to do is tighten it just like this, and I have my Meta Quest 3. You can still take it off and then put it back on just like this, tighten if you need to, and you have your Meta Quest 3. You need to tighten it some more? No problem. This thing, guys, I have a really small head and I can tighten this thing super nice. All right, the lenses are super close to my face. I can see very well. Go ahead and just use my Quest 3 as I normally do. I'm in my immersive environment right now, but I want to show you that this still works. So find the side of it, just double tap it, and I'm back into my reality. Double tap it again, I'm back into my immersive environment. Let's go ahead and go to the internet. Oh, yeah, I was on YouTube watching a Superman trailer. Let's go ahead and keep watching this. I'm going to full screen this. Let's drop it into theater mode. Oh yeah, that looks great. Let's do a little play. Can enjoy this perfectly. This thing makes the viewing experience so much better because it just feels better when it fits on my head. I really like it. And if you really like this too, or you want to check it out, I'll have a link in the description below the like button. Again, it's the Sonicgrace S3 Air. They have a whole lot of products, but I'll leave a link for this one. You can check out this one and the other stuff they offer. That way you can pick one of these up for you, a friend, both at the same time, and use your Quest 3 better for longer. And by longer, I mean more comfortably, because that stock strap was just not comfortable. Not for the screen to my eyes and not holding it around my head. All right, thanks for checking this out with me, y'all. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Oh, also, it's super light. This is it. Thanks for making this Sonicgrace. I really appreciate it, and I'm sure a lot of other people do too.